Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you a quick and complete guide on how to renew your NFL Sunday ticket for 2025. Everything you need to know in just few minutes. Let's get right in. First things first, NFL Sunday ticket is an annual subscription and the important thing to know that is automatically renews each year before the new season starts at full retail price. So if you're already subscribed, you don't need to do anything. You will be renewed automatically unless you choose to cancel. Now, what if you don't want to be renewed? You can cancel the automatic renew at any time. Just keep in mind, if you cancel mid-season, you will still keep access for the rest of the current season. You won't lose anything you paid for. To check your renewal details like when you will be charged or to make changes, go to youtube.com/purchases. There you will find all your active subscriptions including NFL Sunday ticket, and that's it. Renewal is automatic. You are in control. If you want to cancel, you review your plan. If this helped you out, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.